Dear friends, this video describes about the best jobs in construction equipment. There are numerous career opportunities in the construction equipment industry, each offering unique responsibilities and rewards. Here are some of the best jobs in this field. 1. Field Service Engineer/Technician. Role: provides on-site troubleshooting, repair, and maintenance of construction equipment. Skills required: technical expertise in mechanical, electrical, and hydraulic systems, knowledge of ECUs, and strong problem-solving skills. Why it's great: high demand for skilled professionals, hands-on work, and the opportunity to work on a variety of equipment in different locations. 2. Equipment Operator. Role: operates machinery such as excavators, loaders, bulldozers, and cranes to perform tasks on construction sites. Skills required: certification and experience in operating specific types of equipment, understanding of safety protocols. Why it's great: direct involvement in construction projects, good earning potential, and varied work environments. 3. Project Manager, Construction Equipment. Role: manages the planning, coordination, and execution of projects involving the use of construction equipment. Skills required: project management skills, knowledge of construction processes, budgeting, and scheduling. Why it's great: leadership role with high responsibility, critical for the success of construction projects, and good career growth opportunities. 4. Equipment Sales Representative. Role: sells construction equipment to contractors, companies, and municipalities. Skills required: strong sales and negotiation skills, technical knowledge of equipment, and customer relationship management. Why it's great: lucrative commissions, networking opportunities, and the chance to be at the forefront of new technology in the industry. 5. Fleet Manager. Role: manages a company's fleet of construction equipment, ensuring efficient operation, maintenance, and compliance. Skills required: knowledge of equipment management, maintenance scheduling, and cost control. Why it's great: strategic role with an emphasis on maximizing equipment productivity and lifespan, suitable for those with strong organizational skills. 6. Equipment Maintenance Supervisor. Role: oversees the maintenance and repair of construction equipment, ensuring it is safe and operational. Skills required: strong understanding of mechanical systems, leadership skills, and knowledge of safety regulations. Why it's great: leadership role that plays a crucial part in the smooth operation of construction projects, with high job stability. 7. Construction Equipment Trainer. Role: trains operators and technicians on the proper use and maintenance of construction equipment. Skills required: deep knowledge of equipment operation and maintenance, good communication and instructional skills. Why it's great: opportunity to shape the skills of new professionals in the field, contributing to safety and efficiency in construction. 8. Equipment Appraiser/Inspector. Role: assesses the value and condition of construction equipment for resale, insurance, or purchase purposes. Skills required: expertise in evaluating equipment conditions, knowledge of market values, and attention to detail. Why it's great: independent work, critical role in the equipment lifecycle, and potential for consulting opportunities. 9. Construction Technology Specialist. Role: implements and manages technology solutions in construction equipment, such as telematics, GPS systems, and autonomous machinery. Skills required: understanding of construction technology, data analysis, and problem solving. Why it's great: involvement in the cutting edge of construction technology, high demand for skills, and opportunities to innovate in the industry. These roles provide a range of opportunities, from hands-on technical work to strategic management and sales positions. Your background in field service engineering and interest in sustainability could position you well for roles in equipment management, technology implementation, or training. Friends, we talked about best job in the construction equipment in this video. Please use the comment box to share more information on the suggested topic for a plant and equipment engineer. We guarantee a 100% positive video upload on that subject. Please subscribe to our free YouTube channel, Inframechanizer.